I should have calmed down on the empanadas before.
Right, too many empanadas.
Too many empanadas before trying to get in here. All right, here we are. I am drinking coffee, which I don't normally do, which is funny because I'm in Florida where I usually am not. This is Matt with Matt's Off-Road Recovery. You might recognize him from Matt's Off-Road Recovery. And this is Robby Layton from Robby Layton TV, and you might recognize him from Robby Layton.
You just might.
I've been on Trailmater TV too.
Yes, yeah.
Matt doesn't realize this, and Rory doesn't realize it yet, but there's a surprise happening tomorrow. And you gotta wait to see it. So you gotta get through today in order to see what Rory's got up this little sleeve right here.
You can get your own sleeve at trailmater.com.
Yeah, you can get your own sleeve. You can get your own sleeve to see what's up that sleeve.
Sold out. Well done.
Birds. We're mariners.
Kind of a crab here. I don't know.
He seems very crabby.
Look at this, Robby. Look at this crab.
What?
I found a crab. I chased him around for a while, but he looked really aggressive and he had big pinchers.
He looked like he didn't like you.
Yeah, he was not as excited about me as I was about him.
Great. So anyway, we are in Florida, like we said. We're down here hanging out with Matt and Robby and them. But check out where we're at.
Freedom Factory.
This is just amazing. A lot of tires have died on that concrete.
Are you tied in? Oh, good. Seatbelt. All right.
It's still weird. I feel weird. This is weird. I'm about to drive Matt's rental car and chase him around the lap a couple times and film it.
This is Jacob. Hey, how's it going, guys?
Driving quite as hard, you can get back into the gas a lot quicker.
What do you think? How's he doing?
He's doing good. Check this out.
19.8 out there.
Zero airflow. Yeah. Holy smokes. Okay, I'm gonna go try to get another 19.
19.9. Oh, he almost touched the wall right there.
Still gonna send it. That's okay. Yeah, it's losing air. Oh, you'd be pitting right now.
We got broken bits from the Freedom Factory.
Authentic.
How often does a newbie put it in the wall?
Everybody over at the track was like, that's decent. Then we come talk to Cleetus and he's like, man, that's fast. But I don't know if Cleetus is trying to hypen him up and make him feel better or what. But
None of that matters right now. What really matters is, can Rory put down a 19? You know, I'm going to give it to you.
19.79.
No, I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give it to you at a 19.8. You either have to match or beat. Robby, you hear that? Match or beat.
Okay, sounds good.
Robby's heading out for some laps.
Transponder, grab his receiver.
That's intense.
That's fun. That's
I think I
real
can
racing.
do that. We'll go first.
Number 4. Isn't that a really lucky number? Capable of mock Jesus.
And that's all we need.
All right, new techniques.
Do you have an adult-sized version? Right.
Fire it up. Second gear.
Hold it in second.
You can do
it. Good luck. So now Rory's gonna try his hand at driving around in a circle really, really fast.
Yeah. What do you think? How's he doing so far?
He's doing great. So one thing I want to point out is he is filling out the car, filling out the track, which is completely reasonable to do in this situation.
There it is, 20.5. Looks like he's bringing it in.
I'm just finally getting in the groove there.
Well, your last
Like
lap
it's
was
trying to
fast.
figure out where everything is and where you need to be and what you need to do. And yeah, you can drive a lot harder into them corners than you think.
Oh yeah.
So,
Yeah.
did you notice I was like this at one point?
Right.
Like, you can turn,
Yeah, oh yeah.
You don't got to redeem yourself.
Woohoo!
You still beat him.
yeah. Winning's winning. That's why he got chose.
There's gonna be hot dogs and the mac and cheese tonight.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
what do the people not know that are watching at home? They're like, I wonder what it's like being in this car.
It is so amazing. Like being able to turn that or go that hard into a banked corner, like I had no idea, no nothing. So it took me a couple laps to even feel it out. Like, yeah, this is amazing. Like this is so much fun. But yeah, there at the end I was like feeling how you could come out of it and you just let the car come up to the wall and then go for it. But like you can stay in it a lot longer than you think you can.
Yeah, you don't realize that bank is gonna push you.
Yeah.
It's gonna push back.
Push
and you're
into
like,
traction.
yeah.
To a point.
I know where that point is.
It's right over there against
Right
that
over
wall.
there.
Right over there.
He's putting his seatbelt on. This is serious.
Jump in, Mike.
Okay.
This is the better corner right here.
It's a little smoother drop in.
Yeah.
Dude, 20.5.
Are we?
That's what it says.
What? What? Oh, that's so. Is this
That's,
time?
I think that was Rory's last lap.
Here you go.
Come on, brother, bring it out. Is it a rollback or what is it?
No, it's a record. It's
Oh, it's a record. Ooh,
Four-wheel
sick.
drive.
Yeah, okay, I have seen that. That's sick. I'll have mine out later today. I'm sure to tow my truck back. I already know it's gonna throw a belt.
Dude, yeah, I was like, dude, if I can get Cleetus to race me, I will haul it down here.
Come on, bro, bring it down. I'm 100% down to blow my truck up.
I'll fly in here to be on your pit crew.
Dang
Yeah,
right,
there you go.
dang
There
right.
we go. We got a crew.
I'm just counting down. See, here's my deal. Everybody's all like, "Oh, look, race cars and Cleetus," and I'm like, "Empanadas soon."
Ours is on. Rory. Are you on?
Yeah.
Did you ask him?
But yeah,
What did he say?
he said, yeah, bring it out here.
That means Cleetus and Rory are gonna race tow trucks. Dude, that is so freaking sweet. He's gonna be racing him in old blue. The
Yeah.
truck I didn't even get to paint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rude.
Rude. Rude.
What do you think, Robby?
So sick. I would love a Texas Speed.
Rory just challenged Cleetus to a drag race, a tow truck drag race. There's two ways you can help. One, you can give this guy a $20,000 engine, Also, you can go to trailmater.com.
I think they're only around 10.
Buy some merchandise. Yeah, but you're gonna need stuff. You're gonna need all the bits, the gadgets, and the kit.
New
Yeah,
bits,
you're gonna
new
need
bits. You need new bits.
Rory threw down the gauntlet. Cleetus accepted the challenge, and now we just got to make it happen.
Yeah, I'm excited. I look excited because I'm excited. This is my excited face.
He's got the side dumper.
Oh yeah, it's just one or two. I'm gonna guess two. I guessed right. All right, here it is. This is Cleetus's truck. This is the tow truck we're calling out to race. We're gonna bring old Blue down to Florida and we're gonna race Cleetus. We gotta get it all set up and everything. This thing's running a 632 big block Chevy, but he's got the original SM465, and I know how hard those are to shift. So that's the only that's my little ace in the hole. But he'll probably have a 2-speed power glide and twin turbos on him by the time we race. Man, forward by a fender.
Okay, good luck. What are you running today?
We got the Tesla swap minivan.
Oh, okay.
Sleeper. Tesla swapped
Jake,
minivan.
is that you?
That's gonna be so exciting. This is so cool.
Whoa!
So this is what the first place prize to anybody that wins the Freedom 500 is. That's a step. That's not a step.
Good thing they label these things. Also, not a step.
This is the pilot seat right here, right? That would be the co-pilot.
Judging off of that, I can't. I'm not allowed to win it.
Too tall. Could be a very expensive ceiling fan.
Yeah, you could have a really nice
Upside
ceiling
down
fan.
and,
So we just called out Cleetus. He built that rollback and was saying the most powerful tow truck. So we wanted to throw our hat in the ring and see if we can beat him on a drag race. So we're gonna have some fun with it. I hope you guys follow along. It probably won't be till this fall. That gives us some time to do some things and maybe get this running a little bit better and see if we can be competitive. I appreciate all you guys for this opportunity, and I think it's gonna be fun. And I just really appreciate everybody watching what we do and giving us this chance to do this.
Check it out. There's a pelican.
I've got some poetry for you.
Okay.
What a marvelous bird, the pelican. His beak can hold more than his bellican, and no one knows how the hell he can.
So for the first time in the history of ever, I'm carrying my dad's shoes because we're down here on the beach in Florida, and it's absolutely beautiful. And I've been having fun walking in the ocean, which it's technically a gulf, but whatever. It's an ocean.
It's salty.
Yeah, it's salty and way bigger than the puddles we have in Utah, so I'm enjoying it, and it's warmer.
Here, I got you a mocha frappa latte here.
Yeah, fracking a lot of mote.
This is literally the first time I'm wearing these
Hey,
pants.
the cool thing is when you guys are
Yeah, brand new,
Brand new.
brand new.
Never been yucked up yet.
Hey, Corey had scissors for us.
Oh, this is glorious. Any thoughts? Any last words?
Yo, Chris, I love her.
All right. Rory, what'd you think of the jet ski?
I just found sport mode.
Did you?
Dang it.
Hey, Ian, what is this?
So you can either do two options.
Something's in
That's
it.
cool. Dare you to eat it.
Hell no.
Give you $1.
No way.
$2.
Hillbilly would.
Some kind of a... Oh,
It's like a
there's-
leopard.
Oh, that one's already been eaten.
Oh,
No one's
That
home.
one ain't no good.
I drove a jet ski in the Gulf of Mexico. That is flat awesome.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this. What do you find?
He said crack it open, see if there is. But what is that?
It looks alive.
It is.
It's a very large animal. Well, sea critter. Do something exciting.
I can't. I'm in the no wake zone.
Yeah.
See, right answer. This was a test. You passed.
You passed.
one is not. This one is a hermit crab.
Oh, cool. Ooh, he is aggressive.
Yeah.
Or scared, maybe.
Yeah. Well, he's defending his place.
All right. Luckily, we made it back. Everything went perfectly. You need to rent some jet skis. You need to talk to these guys. They will set you up.
Do everything we can. I have no idea what to do with my hands, but I want to thank Matt for inviting me along. This has been nothing but amazing. This is bucket list stuff that is just super cool.
It's kind of like taking your bucket and dumping it out and doing all.
Now
the
I gotta find a new
now
bucket.
You're beating on the bottom upside down.
Yeah, I gotta
like,
find a new
what do I
bucket.
do?
But this has been nothing but cool. Like I said, we raced Crown Vics at the Freedom Factory, and I mean, who would not want to do that? So this has been crazy. Like jet skis yesterday, Crown Vics today. This is just super cool.
You may or may not have entered a drag race.
May or may not have entered a drag race.
Yeah.
Cleetus is definitely going to race us. Now all we have to do is haul our truck clear out here to Florida, which I plan on doing.
Cleetus, Rory's coming for you.
He's gonna get you.
So that's how they do it. How I do it is we're going to race Cleetus and see if we got what it takes. We're going to have fun with this.
Go
get him.
Yeah, you get him.
You get it. No, you get it.
No, you're gonna get him. You own that, Rory.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This is amazing.
Dude, this is a vehicle after my heart. It has the same headlights I got, same broken grill thing. It's lifted. It's an F-150. It's got the extra cab. I also ride a Yamaha. This is amazing. I love this. Do we need this button?
Yeah. It's a small circle.
Hi,
So here's the
I'm
here's
Hector.
the deal.
from Howlin' Wolf, and we're out here in Florida, and we're about to have a good time.
How do I even follow that?
I know. I don't know.
I was about to drop facts. We're